Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for being here together with me, and today I will be bringing you a topic which would be Armani house perfumes. So I have 10 Armani house perfume, and I will honestly be saying to you what I think about these perfumes. It's gonna be perfumes for man and for women as well. So first perfume, it would be for man. Honestly, I was expecting a lot from this perfume, but in the reality it kind of turned out to me that it's like such a generic type of musky type of man scent that I wasn't surprised about it at all. In fact, I was a little bit disappointed because I smelled someone wearing it and I don't know, it just felt like it's not some kind of perfume that I would give compliments, you know. It's very kind of classy type of musky perfume, musky sweet perfume that not much, guys, is coming out from it, even though there is this beautiful bottle, there is this quality type of brand, there is this name. But to be honest, to me, this perfume is too classy and too safe. And when it's too safe, when this perfume is too safe to wear, that means it starts to become extremely boring, you know, in my opinion. Let me know if you agree or disagree, or perhaps you got compliments with this perfume, and that would be very interesting to hear as well. So that would be Armani Code. We will put it back, this perfume, right now, and we will bring another perfume, which would be, guys, Si Passione. This particular perfume is for ladies. I only have a small bottle. This is perfume number 2. I have a small bottle. And perhaps out of all of these perfumes, I think maybe this is the one that I'm kind of would be happy to wear. But it doesn't mean that I'm extremely, you know, liking this perfume. What I like about this perfume is that there is this type of scent that is similar to Cacharel Amor Amor, you know, Cacharel Amor Amor, but maybe in a more interesting, like kind of like maybe done in a different way. But I like this youthfulness in the Si Passione, and maybe from all of those perfumes that I'm gonna show you, probably this is the one that I would choose if I would be forced to choose a perfume, you know. The other perfume that I'm gonna get would be for man. It's actually, I still unopened this perfume. This for man is Stronger With You. I think I smelled it before, and I remember it being kind of warm type of spicy perfume. That it comes in a shade very similar to this one. Let's talk about those two. This is for ladies, this is for men. And I think these two perfumes are a perfect gift for some, like for a couple, you know. If you have a friends that are a couple, you know, and you want to give them a gift, these would be beautiful gifts, actually. And so this perfume, I remember being it warm, but I don't know much about it yet. I would need to experience it, but I think it's not too bad, this perfume. Maybe, okay, so there is better one. Maybe there is Acqua di Gio, you know, which I think this one and Acqua di Gio black one would be the maybe best perfume from Armani so far that I tried, you know. So let's put it back, this one. This one would be Because It's You. It's for ladies. It has a raspberry scent. And guess what, guys? I'm not reaching for it. I'm not reaching for this particular perfume. You know why? Because there is something a little bit old-fashioned, in my opinion, over there. But I got compliment once with this perfume. It's a acidic type of scent, acidic sweet scent with raspberry, you know. So, like, even though it would be interesting to buy this perfume, I would never buy this perfume, to be honest. But it was kind of fashionable to have this perfume before because it has this nice shape and everything. It's so nice to have it, you know, in your cupboard. But in terms of like smell by itself, I'm not liking it that much, you know. I'm not liking it that much. The other perfume that we're gonna talk about This would be this one, Armani Mania. This one I think is maybe discontinued or whatever. That's an old times perfume. At the beginning I didn't like it, but actually when I was wearing it one time just to see what it is, I think within time perhaps I realized maybe the beauty of this perfume, because it can open up in a nice way, you know. I wonder if I could spray it on my clothes. What I like about this perfume is that instead of being like a musky as this perfume, it also has a little bit of citrusy opening, which can be quite nice. And I remember it being opening in a delicate way, you know, Armani Mania. I don't think you can find this perfume anymore, you know. This one, I would say it's too musky, but they are kind of similar in a way, but this one is more citrusy type of perfume. The other perfume that I have would be these two. I have this one basically and this one. So some people prefer this one, but actually many people discover this Profumo and they say it's more interesting. This Profumo, they are both for man, you know. This Profumo, you know, the Giorgio Armani created with this meaning as if it would be like waves of you know, the sea hitting the black rock, you know, the smell. And it's actually very true, because like this black color kind of resembles me, the black stone, and that smell, it's kind of as if it would be this one mixed up with some other type of notes, you know. They are actually very, very similar, but this one has something else in there. So this one is aquatic one, and this one, I just have to spray it right now. And this one, it has a bergamot, it has other type of notes, might be lavender there, and it makes kind of maybe similar to this fresh perfume, you know, but maybe topped up with a nicer way. And I think when you look at the bottle, it becomes very curious, isn't it? Because it's kind of more interesting than that one. These two are actually classy perfumes, and if you are a type of office person, you know, a man, you should go probably with them, or at least to have one of them in your collection always, you know, because sometimes in the morning when you wake up, perhaps you would like to spray something fresh for yourself, something that wouldn't be too sharp or too overpowering. So these perfumes are classy perfumes and very, very good perfumes, guys. The other perfume that I got over here, it's diamonds. You know, diamonds. Who doesn't know diamonds? Everybody knows diamonds. This bottle reminds me of Christmas because of the shape and the smell by itself as well. I think this perfume has a little bit of raspberry there too. I might be wrong, but on my skin it turns acidic, you know, kind of. For that reason I don't like this perfume. It's already kind of, it reminds me of, you know, old type of, a little bit, for me it's outdated, a little bit old-fashioned and too much well-known, you know. I remember I was spraying it one time in the shop, you know, when I was just passing through, and this particular perfume seemed to be very interesting, you know, and I was thinking, let me spray something expensive on myself and I would be very pleased, you know, ooh, like I'm wearing Armani. But those days are past right now. This perfume is way too known, and it often comes in this like a big discounts, especially before Christmas, you know. And I don't think you can, it's classy perfume, feminine perfume. I don't think you can surprise anyone with this smell anymore, you know. I might be wrong, you can, you know, discuss with me about that. Another perfume that I have, guys, it would be this one. It's the last perfume. It's very well known, super popular. I think it was winning one of the like prizes there for being a very popular perfume, you know, because this one is C, original C. And it's Eau de Parfum, because it has this musky sweet scent that a lot of women, ladies likes this perfume, you know. It's a lot of ladies chooses this particular perfume as her signature scent because it's kind of safe go-to perfume. What I have a question right now, right there, is that I wonder why in this, you know, Armani range always dominating some kind of musky scents. I wonder, what that would be, type of reason. Or, well, not always. Let's say if I would need to buy Armani perfume, I would definitely drop these musky scents, and perhaps I would go for something fresh if you are a man, or if you're a man, basically, I would go for something fresh. If I would need to choose, let's say, I would probably go with that one, even though Si Passione, Po Ladies, even though the longevity is a little bit poor, but it smells youthful, it smells youthful. Or if I, let's say, would need to buy, there is another lane of Armani. It's like Armani Privé line, which I never had a chance to smell yet, but people are talking about, a lot about this perfume. There is black bottle, there is green bottle, and the red one as well. So I would like to try in the future Armani Privé, line. But so far, guys, I'm gonna leave you with this type of review. Let me know, guys, what you think about this Armani perfume. Is there any Armani perfume that would be your signature scent? To be honest, I don't have a signature scent from Armani line. It seems like I'm not reaching for them at all. It's kind of would be irritating for me to spray this one these days. It's really annoying because I have smelled a little bit better perfumes, But if I would be a man, I would definitely go with these guys, one of them. And perhaps for autumn, I quite like this one. I think for autumn would be very nice for you guys if you are a man, stronger with you. So that would be my type of talk. I wish you to have a beautiful day, and I will come back to you soon. Bye bye, guys.